Day 2. Time for a Cliff Bar for breakfast. Yeah, and a granola ball.
Here.
Thanks, melty. Going to a two-step great snorkeling place, so. I don't have food for you. You want to be my breakfast? Are you comfortable, Carolyn? Is this the most comfortable lava rock you've ever laid on? Two-step little area to snorkel. Good luck getting parking. There's all these yellow fish. They're all in here, even in the shallows. To the Hawaiian National Historic Park. Cool. Yeah, this is cool. What is this? It's number 2. Where we were snorkeling over there. Whoa, we're going to the green sand beach. It is so windy. It's insane. Oh my goodness.
Woo, we made it.
Can you tell by my hair that it was a little windy? Oh yeah. If you're going to the green sand beach.
What?
I don't know.
Yeah, exactly.
Just don't do it.
No, do it. It's awesome.
No, do it. So it's 10 bucks. Some dudes around here will shuttle you. You do need a high clearance 4x4 vehicle if you're gonna actually try and do it yourself. And the sand's blowing in your eyeballs and in your face, and it's all in the sun. Did it live up to your expectations? Mm-hmm. Made it to South Point. No jumping. The wind's gonna blow us right in. Honey, dive in. Go, go, go. Thanks for joining us. Like and subscribe, and we will see you in another adventure as we explore Volcanoes National Park.